Today I'm going to show you how to monetize your Canva skill, and for that I'll straight away go to my screen. So Fiverr is one of such websites, freelancers websites, which gives you enough reason to advertise your own graphic designing and also earn a legitimate amount of money by selling your design. And the ticket size is also pretty good for being a beginner. You can actually start it from somewhere between 2,500 to 3,000. I'm going to show you right now what exactly the kind of ticket size for each work, specifically for Canva design. Since I'm concentrating on that, there are other fields as well where you can, if you're having that skill, you can very well sell it. But otherwise, if you're solely concentrating on Canva, you can easily make 40,000 to 50,000 per month if you're regular on this particular website, because this helped me to build my initial days very easily monetizable when I was starting as a graphic designer. That's the reason I'm making this video, so that you also get benefited. So without any further ado, let's just start with the screen. To use Canva for the beginners, you can actually monetize your skill in many ways. One of such easiest way is by giving your freelancing services for many job providers who are there to get your service and ready to give you a hefty amount of money. So this is one of such account. I personally used to use Fiverr for a very long time, and Fiverr is pretty reliable platform which is having a kind of money amount reservation facility, so that your work does not go in vain and you are basically getting your payment on time. So fiverr.com you need to go to. And then I have picked this particular account which I found is pretty good. There are 389 reviews, and where this person has got 5 reviews, so it is expected that this person is pretty good in his work, and indeed I see it's pretty professional. So this is how you are basically going to make your profile. You need to just create a profile here, and you preferably give a design video like this, then followed by some other templates or your work as per availability, but the more is better, right? So this is how you can do it, and basic part is the amount which that person is charging. So it is pretty cool, right? 1,976 rupees this person is charging for one page of Canva design. For standard he is charging 3,952. 3,900 is again pretty well good amount of payment for 2 pages of design, which hardly takes half an hour time if you're even a beginner, I guess. And 3 pages of design, 5,928. So this is pretty cool, the kind of amount you're getting and kind of work you need to deliver. But only thing challenging part is that you'll have to send an editable design to the client. For that I'm going to give you one small glimpse how to get the editable link. I have picked up one random template from my collection. So suppose this template I'm going to send, but in the form of an editable link. So what do? I go to share option. Here you find there is a share link, right? So here if you go to drop down, first of all, if you're using a pro version, I'll tell you this middle one, this use as template option is only available for the pro users. So if you click on this, you get this copied link option, and now this is copied. You go to any page. One second, there are a few things here. I've taken a Google Doc. I'm just going to paste it, and this is how a big funny kind of a link comes up. I preferably don't send this link like this. I go to insert link option. I nicely type click here, and then again I just paste the link and apply, and voila, I can just send this click here button to them, and it will be pretty much it. And then if you're not using pro version, then also you can get this option, editable option, link to edit. But I'll tell you the part of it. It is copied. Again, I'll just show you before I tell you the constraints of this particular option. And just come same, click here. Okay, I'll get a link, paste it over here, apply, and I got this nice and crisp. Click here button. I'm just gonna send. But the problem with this edit option is that your main file can be edited by anybody, whoever is accessing this link. So before you send it, or once you send it, you just make sure you give a note that if you are changing this main copy, I won't be having any copy at my end. So preferably you make a copy of this particular template before changing, and this is only applicable because you are giving a direct editable option to them. This is not a copy which is being sent. But if it is this part, this first option, if you're using pro, then there is no tension. You can actually send a copy of this particular template, and your main master copy will stay intact. So with that was the small tip which I wanted to give today, share with you. I hope it was helpful, guys, and if you really like it, you don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and definitely follow me and share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. I keep making 3 videos at least in a week and few more shorts in a week, so you please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so that you keep getting intimation whenever I upload a new video. Today till here, I'll see you some other day with some other topic. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.